Hey there, YouTube. This is a quick tip video on World of Warcraft. Basically the tip is if you've ever wanted to open your old Garrison class reports and take a look at them, but you don't have the button available on the minimap to look at them, you can actually open those with a macro. It's pretty easy. So to show what it looks like, I have a toolbar down here with all my Garrison reports, and so I can click on any of them and look at the status for. It's a little bit buggy, I think, sometimes, but so you can do that. And it's like you might have to close one out before you open the next one, but you can switch back and forth between them here, pretty easy. So might this be useful? Well, if you want to take a look and see when your missions are done, you can easily see it from here. But probably more valuable is with your companions, at least for your Warlords of Draenor campaign. You can get follower equipment upgrade tokens, and you can apply those from anywhere in the world. And actually, it ties in nicely with the mobile app, because if you have the WoW mobile app, and then if you do your missions on there, then you'll get follower gear upgrade tokens, and then those will be dropped immediately in your bags in game. And then wherever you are in game, you can open up your Garrison report and apply those item level upgrades to your followers automatically. I don't have an example here because I've already done that, but anyway, so it's something to be aware of. So how do you do it? The way I did it here is just with some macros. I can't take credit for writing these macros. I found these online. But so if you look at an example here, so here's a macro for the Battle for Azeroth Garrison. And then we run this show Garrison landing page command, and then we say we want to see this type of Garrison landing page. So basically, you do that. You create macros for Warlords of Draenor, Battle for Azeroth, Legion, etc. Drop them on your action bar, and then you're kind of good to go. A couple other notes. I made a little gist over here on GitHub. I'll put the link to this in the YouTube description. But this just has them all in one place here. So here's if you want to run the Warlords of Draenor mission table, Legion, Battle for Azeroth, and Shadowlands. And then also, just for reference, there's a little bit of documentation here on it. So here's the Garrison type. So when you say show Garrison landing page, you can pull the Garrison type out of this enumeration here and say that I want the Warlords of Draenor Garrison, so I'm going to pull type 6, or Legion is type 7, type 8 for Battle for Azeroth, etc. So that's it. Enjoy.